What's up, YouTube? Back at you again with another video for the Oldsmobile Delta 88. We completed the exhaust. I still don't have any tips, but we just ran the pipes out the back so we can get it mounted up and get everything sounding good. So that's what I got so far right now. We're gonna go ahead and crank it up so I can show y'all what it sounds like so far. So that's what we're working with. I think it sounds pretty good. Y'all make sure y'all throw me a comment, hit that thumbs up, let me know what y'all think. If you're new to the channel, thanks for viewing. Hope you subscribe. More to come. The exhaust is just the first thing that I did to the car. So we got a lot of body work to do to the car, a lot of sanding so we can get it ready for paint. Not to mention interior work. A lot of little odds and ends to fix up on it. Me and my son here, it's gonna be a good project for us. What you think, son?
Good. It's cool, Dad.
Awesome.
I love it.
You love it? Well, maybe you'll get to drive it one day, son. Well, until the next video, signing out.